moving on now. But
yes.
I was just listening to the PNP's press conference. What I like to call the PNP's distraction.
Yes.
There's nothing about a distraction, because you can't have a press conference today and the main topic is not the sexual harassment that is rocking your party.
They haven't touched that?
I have heard them mention nothing about it. You cannot call a press conference today, Judge, and when you ask about one of your senior members being involved in a major scandal, your only response is, well, we don't have any information on it.
What?
Yes.
That's not good enough.
When asked about the involvement of one of their senior members' company at the UWI, Mr. Mark Golden said the only information we have is what in the report, and they are willing to wait for the investigation. Now, it is funny to me that Mark Golden is willing to wait for investigation to complete.
Say it ain't so, Chuck. Yes.
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 Mark Golden.
Who never wait on the Integrity Commission and the Prime Minister's declarations.
Exactly. The chairman who wants action now must resign now. It's all of a sudden willing to wait for an investigation to complete.
Yes. So you're saying, Chuck, that at the press conference, the Jacqueline question was asked?
The Jacqueline question was asked, and Mark Golden said, the only information we have is what is in the report. I have spoken to the gentleman, and he knows my position, and I know his, and the conversation cannot.
What?
That's what.
Hold on. Was it my report that was a Jacqueline question?
Yes, it was.
Of course, because that's what we asked. That's what we planned for.
Yes, it was.
Oh my. What a thing. What a thing.
And people like Zara Burton who go around and the guys that being international reporter are willing to push this issue to the PNP. I respect Zara Burton. I respect Dear Justin Miller. People like those, they are females. They should be out there asking about the sexual harassment matter. They should be asking Mark Golden, why aren't you dealing with him the same way you dealt with George Wright?
So what was his answer to the sexual harassment claim? Chuck?
I don't know. Did he have to answer that question?
Chuck, I work right here, so let me now watch a press conference. I may ask you.
All right. I did not hear that question asked, Judge.
Okay.
Right, I didn't hear that question asked. Maybe some part of the agreement to get in, so you cannot ask about it.
Okay, I hear you. I have to take the break, though. So thank you for the call. Yeah, man. All right. More after these.
My hands were steady. My eyes were clear and bright. My walk had purpose. My steps were quick and light. And I held firm to what I felt was right, like a rock.
Furnitureland at 112 Constant Spring Road is Jamaica's premier furniture retailer when searching for stylish and elegant pieces for your home. The time by Furnitureland is
11:46.
In times of loss, sharing information matters. Nationwide 90 FM offers professional obituary announcements, ensuring family, friends, and communities are informed with care and dignity.
It's been a long day.
Obituaries are aired weekdays at 8:30 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 7:30 p.m. When it's important to reach people, let us help you do so respectfully. Contact our sales team today, 876-630-1210, or sales@nationwidenewsnetwork.com for more information. Nationwide 90 FM, informing Jamaica with care.
Want to see what happens before we go live? The doors are about to open. Nationwide Family Club coming soon.
Our phone numbers are 630-9371, 630-9372, 630-9373, and 630-9374.
Fox is online. Another Fox. Good morning.
No, the same Fox, brother, George.
So you get through 2 times in one show. What go on? Where you say now?
Mr. Robertson, me just a compound on 89 World Road.
Yes.
At the press conference.
No one that's in the press conference keeps a West Kings House Road, no sir?
Yeah, all right. Yes, right. But let me tell you, George, I hear to say something to you. I have to call you.
Yes.
Well, somebody from TV they run before Siobhan and ask the question. And Siobhan said it's just to follow up and pose his own question regarding the company that, allegedly in this dialysis business.
Yes.
And my brother, be honest with you, they were having none of it with brother Siobhan.
Yes.
He had him go over reasoning later on.
Yes.
Because when I hear Mark Golding talk, and I wanted these people serious, you're still asking the question, what was the reason the press conference was merely to blame Christopher Tufton and Andrew Wallace?
Oh.
Nothing to her, because Mark Golding said they are not going to take anything that only one media house is running with and running on speculation.
Hold on the facts. Which story is one media house running with?
The same one that named by with Jack then, with the argument there. And he said that's where it come from. But TVJ hacks about it, and somebody else, even Zara Burton hacks about it. but he keep on saying it's only one media house.
Oh my gosh.
Speculation. you can't go back and listen.
I watch it later.
These people are not serious, and I hear your hacks, brother Chuck saying, I don't hear nothing about MP Vaz and Councillor Chang. Nothing.
Yeah. So this was trying to kick Christoph Tan. That was the press conference.
Exactly.
Okay.
And one more thing. I think General Precious.
Yeah.
The question wasn't clear to the country because she was on an online thing.
Yes.
But I hear Mark Golding said, we come up 4 feet short, and if you look at the margin, we're gonna do what we have to do, and we're gonna cross it next time. My brother, these people are not serious. They're not serious. And one thing with glad faces, they are where they are today. Thank God we choose Jamaica. Brother George, let me give somebody a
man, thank you. Thank you.
Sit down and listen to the press conference for yourself.
Yes.
Full.
All right, sir. What you're not saying to me? So the PNP has its first press conference for the year. 29 days in. It would have had a couple of press conferences after Hurricane Melissa. So this is the first press conference in a long, long time. In the public domain are questions about Dennis Gordon's company, Dr. Alfred Dawes' relationship to the company. Dawes has said that, listen, I was doing some work on a contracted basis. I'm not no director or partner or affiliated with the company in the way that people have said I am. He has said that. It's on the record. But still, questions abound. The PNP was antagonistic to questions about that and dismissed the questions about that on the basis that a one media house are run with it. Really, PNP? And then this issue, which has prompted the women's movement to issue a statement, which has prompted Dwayne Vaz's lawyers to write his accuser, which has prompted the lawyers for his accuser to write a statement demanding certain things from Mr. Vaz, and which prompted Mr. Vaz on this day in sports, January 29, 2026, to write a letter to Mark Golding and Dr. Angela Brown-Burke requesting that an urgent investigation be done and that he's willing to testify in his own name and that he wants this matter resolved. That important issue was not dealt with substantively because the press conference was being kept on a certain track. What ridiculousness is that? What ridiculousness is that? Perhaps it is that one of the things the PNP is suffering from, amid the smart, sensible, and capable people inside the PNP who remain there, some of the youngsters who've come up to the mark, solid youngsters, male and female. Perhaps the problem is that in some key areas, you all have some pseudo intellects in there. And it is spoiling the pudding. Yeah, man. So I don't know. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. These issues are in the public discourse. And rather than take the time and prepare a holding position on these important issues, you seek to deflect and denigrate at the same time? Come on, PNP. You can do better. I expect better, which is why I'm disappointed. If I never expected better now, then I wouldn't be disappointed. But I expect much, much better. And then they let me down today. There's no time to do any more business this morning. Somebody in the chat says, Sharon says, George, Cliff, tell them, so them intellectually dormant. You know, it is not unkind to believe that some positions, some vital positions as well, are being managed by people who, if we're to be fair, are mental midgets. Yes. Mental midgets in key position, which undermines the greater good. And the work of the sensible, strong people, capable people who are in the party being undermined by some pseudo-intellects who, when PNP named PNP, wouldn't even be in the same parish when the PNP are keep beating. But anyway, that's that. I clear the deck for the news at 12 and I'll be back.